Hi there, you're welcome to Demi RX Care channel where we talk about medications and how to use them properly. If this is your first time watching our video, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. That way you're able to get alerts anytime we post our other educating contents. Alright, so let's dive right into our medication for today. So our medication is going to be Mucinex. So if you're following up from our last video where we talked about what medications to use for cough, you would know that Mucinex are used for wet cough and cough where you feel like there's more mucus that your body is producing, but you're having issues getting rid of those mucus. So the Mucinex act as an expectorant, and the way it works is it's gonna loosen that mucus and reduce the thickness. That way your body, you're able to get rid of it. And also you're able to cough it out in a more less irritating way from your throat. All right, so what is Mucinex? So Mucinex, like I said, the generic is guanfacine. It's usually sold over the counter, so you can find it on the aisle where they have the cough and cold medications. And the maximum dose for Mucinex would be 2,400 milligrams per day. So the Mucinex usually comes in an extended release, as well as a regular strength, which is going to be your 600 milligram, and the extra strength, which is going to be the 1,200 milligram tablet. So with the, like I said, you don't want to take more than 2,400 milligram a day. So if you're taking the 600 milligram one, you don't want to take more than 4 tablets. So that would be 2 of the 600 milligram every 12 hours. So you're taking 2 of the 600 milligram tablets. Now in the next 12 hours, you take the second 2 tablets of the 600 milligram. But if you are taking the extra strength, which is the 1,200 milligram, you only have to take 1 every 12 hours. And that would account for your maximum dose of 2,400 milligram a day. All right, so the Mucinex does come in liquid, and it also comes in tablets. So make sure you're checking to make sure you're not taking more than that maximum dose a day. Some side effects of Mucinex include dizziness, nausea. It can cause headache, rash, stomach pain, as well as diarrhea. So make sure you're not taking more than advised, and also you make sure that you want to you're not crushing or chewing the tablet for the Mucinex. That way it's not, your body is not getting exposed to a higher amount than it's supposed to. All right, so I hope this video was helpful. Also, the Mucinex, like I said, it may come with other medication like your Mucinex DM. So the Mucinex DM will have the guanfacine as well as the dextromethorphan in it. So the Mucinex is supposed to help loosen those mucus, and the dextromethorphan will act like a cough suppressant, which will help reduce how much coughing you're doing all throughout the day, which is the frequency of the cough. So depending on how much coughing you're doing, and if it's a wet cough, then if you find yourself coughing more often or consistently all throughout the day, then you want to most likely go with the Mucinex DM. But if it's just a regular once in a while cough and you really just feel some chest congestion, then you can take a Mucinex, regular Mucinex. And also Mucinex comes in a Mucinex D, which can be used if the patient is having a chest congestion as well as a nasal congestion. The Mucinex D is sold behind the counter in the pharmacy, so you would need your ID in order to purchase that. And the Mucinex D has pseudoephedrine, which is going to act as that nasal congestion medication and kind of reduce whatever congestion that you're feeling or sinus congestion that you're feeling. And the Mucinex is there for any chest congestion that you may be having, as well as helping to loosen that mucus as well. All right. Well, I hope this video was helpful. And if you have any questions, make sure you check out our channel, and you can ask one of our healthcare professionals on www.demyrxcare.com. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to our channel so you can get alerts anytime we post our other educating contents. All right, thank you, and stay blessed.